How to make $1,000 selling your groceries receipts to data companies.
Really?
Really?
Here's a fascinating twist. Did you know that some companies use your grocery receipts to understand trends and track products without spying on you? They just need your receipt data to see what brands are popular or what people are buying more often during certain times of the year. And here's the kicker. Some people actually make a few $100 a month doing this. Yup, those little slips of paper are like mini gold mines. They are worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. My name is Olu, and today I'm going to show you how to turn those paper slips into cash. Ready to make your grocery runs pay for themselves? Let's get started. Point 1. Choose the right apps for maximum earnings. Which apps will give you the most bang for your buck? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the best apps to use. Not all receipt apps are created equal, so here are my top picks. 1. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is super easy to use. Just snap a pic of your receipt and boom, you earn points. Pays instantly in points per dollar spent. Plus, you can cash out a minimum of $3 to redeem points for gift cards with as little as $3. Special promotions can earn you up to 10,000 points, around $10 value. Average users can earn about $5 to $10 per month, which adds up to $60 to $120 per year. 2. Ibotta. Ibotta offers larger cashback than most apps, works with many national retailers. You can get bonuses of up to $5 on single items. Higher cash out minimum, $20, ideal for frequent shoppers. Regular users can make around $20 to $50 per month, totaling $240 to $600 annually. 3. Receipt Hog. You can earn coins that convert to cash. Extra earning opportunities through sweepstakes and referrals. Linking accounts like Amazon or email can add small bonuses per receipt. It's like a little piggy bank in your phone. Users typically earn about $5 to $15 per month, which equals $60 to $180 per year. Point 2. Optimize earnings by stacking multiple apps. Want to double or even triple your earnings? Here's how.
I want to be rich!
A pro tip. Stack your earnings by submitting the same receipt to different apps. Yes, you heard me right. Upload your grocery receipt to Fetch, Ibotta, in Receipt Hog, and watch your cashback multiply. This strategy works especially well for high-ticket items like groceries. You can double or even triple your earnings without spending extra. Point 3. Look out for promotions and bonuses. How can you boost your earnings even more? Let's explore. Apps love to run promotions, so keep an eye out for these. For example, Ibotta offers a $5 welcome bonus on your first submission. Fetch Rewards gives bonus points on select items. These promotions can really boost your earnings. Seasonal promotions are also a goldmine. During holidays or special events, payouts can spike. So make sure to check your app notifications regularly. Point 4. Incorporate referral programs. Want to earn even more without extra effort? Here's the secret. Another great way to earn is through referral programs. Each app has one. For instance, Receipt Hog gives $1.25 per new user signup. If you refer friends who shop regularly, you can hit your $1,000 goal even faster. It's like building your own little earning team. The more, the merrier. Bonus tip: seasonal trends and limited time offers. Do you want to know when to cash in the most? Here's a bonus tip. Pay attention to seasonal trends and limited time offers. Some apps offer higher payouts during certain seasons. Look for these opportunities to maximize your earnings. Stay updated with app notifications so you never miss a deal. These can add an extra $50 to $100 to your yearly earnings. Before you go, check out these awesome influencers who have made big bucks with these apps. Jordan Page from Fun Cheaper Free made over $10,000 from Cashback apps in 2022. She's a budgeting queen. And Rachel Cruz from The Rachel Cruz Show earned around $5,000 from these apps in 2021. She's all about smart spending and saving. If they can do it, so can you. By choosing the right apps, stacking them, looking out for promotions, and using referral programs, you can easily make up to $1,000 a year from your grocery receipts. Remember, it's all about being smart and strategic with your receipts. So start snapping those pics and watch the cash roll in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips. Happy shopping and happy earning. See you next time.